Well, today on Right Turn Garage TV, you can see it's cold. Old Dad's wearing some bibs. And we got our 408 stroker motor, well, future 408 stroker, back from the machine shop today. Or was that yesterday? Maybe been yesterday. But that's not the episode today. Nope. Oh, lights are out. Cat. Come on, hot dog. Closing you in here. Come on. That was not rehearsed, I swear to you. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hot dog. You dingleberry. Come on. Come on. I will let you back in the house. Come on. You'd think for somebody got shut in a garage like for 3 days straight, he wouldn't be so apt to run right back into one. Come on. Hot dog. We're gonna have to edit this out. There he goes. Okay, now back to what we was doing. Yeah, got that going on today. We're just gonna take it for a drive, see how many miles we can put on it, which aren't many. And okay, yeah, you guessed it. We're going to go pick up something. Number 2 dream car to be exact. But we're not doing it alone. We got some helpers today. We got Silly Lily and Laugh Lila. My girls, they're going to help me go get Daddy's car, aren't you, girls? Are you going to help me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, I'm not going to record this time while I'm driving because we got precious cargo. And I think Lily might have to man the camera a few times, but nonetheless, it's a cold burger and we're gonna go have some fun today. All right, what do you say, girls?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, rock and roll. We'll see you guys shortly. All right, so I didn't want to disclose where I got the car from, just to keep this guy's privacy his privacy, but just know that I thank you very, very much for selling me number 2 dream car, and 2 other little girls are pretty happy about it. Aren't we, girls?
Yeah.
Should we show them what the car looks like? All right. So as you can see, she needs plenty of love. I think most of this will buff right out, you know. And yep, 70 Chevelle. If you guys didn't know, now you know. And it is a Malibu, not a big deal. We've got some insulation for when things get cold. Supposedly this was a New York car, and yeah, made its way down this way, and now we're going to shine it up. What do you think, girls?
Yeah.
Sound like a good idea? And I'm thinking silver with black racing stripes. What do you girls think?
Yeah.
Lila? Yeah? Okay.
Ooh.
But there's going to be plenty of YouTube gold on this guy. As you can see, we got quarter panels, rockers, all kind of good stuff. And somebody's ready, aren't you? So, from my family to yours, welcome the Chevelle. This is going to be a fun one. I've been waiting for one of these for a long, long time. Now we're going to go to Bob Evans. How's that sound, girls?
Yeah.
For them being my little helpers. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here on Right Turn Garage TV.